Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day today. So today I am back to do an outfit video. It's been a little while since I've done an outfit video, but last week I spent the week traveling out to Arizona and California. So today I thought I would share with you guys 5 different outfits that I wore while I was on this trip. And it was really nice to have the excuse to pull out some more warm weather appropriate clothing while I was gone because it is still in the 30s Fahrenheit here. But hopefully this video will just provide a little bit of outfit inspiration as we go into the spring season in the next couple of months. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the first outfit. So I love this outfit so much. It's one of my absolute favorites and it was so much fun to wear. I just really love how it came together. So I am wearing this polka dotted silk top, which I got from Suzanne a couple of years ago, I think. And it's just such a beautiful piece. I think the color of it makes it really seasonless. I feel like I can wear it every season of the year and it's just a really fun piece. And I have it paired with these wide leg crop pants from Everlane. These are in the white color and I've had these for several years now. I don't even know how long. I'm thinking 4 or 5 years and I love them. They're a great alternative to jeans. They're super comfortable, but they're just really fresh looking. I do find that they get dirty really quickly when I wear them. Maybe it's just because I'm not very careful, but I have to wash them fairly often. But I love how these look together. I love the high-waisted pant with the kind of shorter shirt. And then on my feet, I have my ballet flats from Aerosoles. These are so comfortable and so well made. So I think in the future, whenever I need a pair of ballet flats, this is where I will go for them because they're very well made, high quality, and they come in a lot of different colors. So I would highly recommend those if you're in the market for some new ballet flats. I'll link to those down below. And then I did add a piece to this outfit that I did not have on my trip, but my little basket bag that's vintage, I think it looks so cute with this, so I just grabbed it for the video. So for this next look, I'm wearing one of my favorite dresses. This dress is originally from Amour Vert, but I got it on thredUP. It was brand new with the tags on, and I just love it. It's got these little lemons printed all over it, which I think is so cute for spring and summer. So I have that dress on paired with a denim jacket that I also got on thredUP a few years ago, and it's just a great layer to add with dresses when it's a little bit chilly in the evenings. And then on my feet, I have my white leather sneakers. These are from Madewell. I think I mentioned in my favorites video last week that I have been wearing white sneakers all the time, and you will see that reflected in this video. I love these. They're so comfortable, and I feel like they add a little bit of a casual touch to everything. This outfit feels a little bit 90s to me, which I really like about it. Somebody mentioned that on my Instagram post of this as well, which a quick plug for my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me over there, I would love for you to join. I do post outfit content over there if you're interested in that, so I'll have that linked down below as well. But I also have my hair pulled back in this little pearl hair clip for this look, which I really have been enjoying wearing. This pearl hair clip is from Anthropologie. And yeah, that is look number 2. So for this next look, I am styling a top and skirt combination, and I'm wearing a black bodysuit, and I really love wearing bodysuits with skirts because they just stay in place, and you don't have to worry about it getting bunched up when you're trying to tuck your shirt in or anything like that. So I love that. This one is really just sleek and nice fitting. I think it's really beautiful. So I have it paired with this orange colored wrap skirt, which I got at Marshall's last year, and it's this really soft, flowy rayon material, which I really love about it. It is a little bit difficult to wear in windy conditions, but it's a really beautiful skirt. And then once again, I have on my white sneakers, and then I have my vintage Coach bag paired with this outfit. I just think this is a really casual but kind of interesting look that I really enjoyed wearing. This next look is the slightly warmer and slightly more casual version of the first outfit that I wore in this video. So I'm wearing the same Everlane pants once again, but I have them paired with this thrifted camel colored sweater, which is so beautiful and comfortable, and I love the color combination here of camel and white. I think it's really fresh and really pretty. I have my white sneakers on again. I know that's getting a little bit repetitive, but I just really love them, and I like how all of these pieces combine together. It's almost like wearing jeans and a sweater, but it feels a little bit more modern to me, so I really like this combination. And then this last look is very, very casual. This is what I wore while I was at the Grand Canyon, just kind of walking around and walking one of the trails down into the canyon. So maybe not the most practical for that, but I felt comfortable in it. So I'm wearing this hoodie, which is one of my new favorite thrift finds. I think it is, if I were to design a hoodie, this is what it would look like. So I just love it. It's really, really soft, and then it's this ivory and black stripe, which I think is so cute. And it's a little bit longer and has this cute curved detail at the bottom hem, so I just love it. It's one of my favorite thrift finds of the year, definitely so far. I have that paired with some black skinny jeans. I just actually borrowed these from my sister. I have 4 sisters, so we definitely share clothes from time to time, so she let me take these out with me, and so I'm wearing those with this outfit. And then my white sneakers, once again, are you sick of them yet? I just love them. I think they're super cute. So this outfit is super chill and casual, but I love the black and white because I think it makes it look a little bit more elegant. So if I'm just wanting to be really casual like I am today, I think it's the perfect thing to wear. And those are 5 of the outfits that I took on my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing them. I really enjoyed putting together this type of video, and it was such a fun trip as well. I might try to include some little pictures or clips here and there throughout the video of where we went. It was just such a fun time. I didn't vlog it or anything, but it was really fun. And if you want to see more pictures, you can check out my Instagram as well, because I will be continuing to post those throughout the next couple of weeks. If you're new to my channel and you like this type of video, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe by clicking that red button down below to stay tuned for my future videos. And I would love it if you would introduce yourself down in a comment below. Even if you have been subscribed for the past couple of months or something, I would love to get to know you guys. I love to hear where you're from and just a little bit about who you are. It's just interesting to me. That's what I love about the internet. It connects you with people from all over the world. So thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye.
Let the sun shine on the broken. Let the sun